How's it, viewers? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching another video. I just want to explain that in South Africa we don't say what's going on, what's up, we say how's it. It's a mixture of how are you and how is things. So how's it? That's how we talk. How's it? That's how we greet each other always. Guys, what I want to talk to you about today is setting the boot limit for the electronic boot or trunk opening. We don't talk about trunk, we talk about boot, like the UK people. So today what I want to talk to you about is the boot opening and how to set the maximum opening limit. I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay guys, what I mean by the maximum opening limit is you can adjust the boot how far you want it to open. So if you have, like me, you have a limitation with a garage door or a low roof or something obstructing or limiting your height where your car needs to go in, where you usually park your vehicle, you need to open the boot. Maybe at work it's a difficulty for you. Maybe you have one of those carports that comes down low. You need to adjust in order to prevent damage to the top of the boot lid. So what we are going to do is I'm going to show you that like this. Let's say you opening the boot, you stop it before you need to set it for the maximum height. You push it up to where the maximum height would be. You press this button and hold it until you see the indicators will flash. Then you know that you have set the limit. Let me show you. I have adjusted it now. Check now where it's going to stop. You see, it doesn't open higher than that. And I actually need it to open quite a bit higher. I usually adjust it to here. You can even go as far as to there. But I don't want it that high. Be careful when you push and pull on the boot. It doesn't like it with the electrical component. So be easy on it. Push it easy. Push the button again. Hold until you see the indicators flash. Done. That's your maximum setting, your maximum limit. It will not open more than that. And it will stay like that for 2-3 years until you readjust it again. And I have to say kudos to Haval for adding this. It's the first time that I see this in a vehicle. Alright, there you go. That's how we adjust or set the opening limit for the Haval H6 boot / trunk door. Easy as that. Short, quick video. Just a press of a button, keep the button in until the indicators flash. Bob's your uncle. There you go. Easy as that. How's it, guys? Before I upload the video, I thought let me add to the back door video or the boot opening video what Haval calls back door inductive opening. The setting for it is in the vehicle settings. Vehicle settings, comfort, back door inductive opening. You can turn it on or off there, and I'm going to show you what that does now. Let's go. Okay guys, let me show you. There's the park distance control center, the two closest to the center of the vehicle. Underneath the bumper there are two sensors that work with a backdoor inductive opening. So you can either open it on this side or that side. Let me show you how it works. Now guys, for this you're going to need your key in your pocket, but it works both sides. I'm going to show you this side now for closing. So yes, if you arrive at your vehicle with hands full of whatever, just sweep it there for that side with your foot. As long as your key is in your pocket, that's gonna open the back door for you. Magic. Thanks for watching. If this is the kind of content that you enjoy, why not subscribe? Please like and comment as well. Really like to see what you guys like to comment. If you have questions, please guys feel free to ask. I'd really like to see what you guys think and what you would like to see as well. That's it guys. Have a good one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.